Throughout the Asian countries, there are so many ways and different takes on how to make rice porridge. In Lao, we call this Khao Piak Khao.
In Chinese, called Congee, Congee, or Jook.
In Thai, Khao Thom, Jook. In the Philippines, this is called Lugaw or Caldo. In Khmer is Babaw. Vietnamese is called cháo.
In Hmong, Kua Dis. This can be made with any kind of meat and even with innards. Let's get started. Wow, look at that. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Add in your sliced ginger and lemongrass, a dash of salt, your choice of protein. Today I'm using pork. Next, add in your cooked rice. Season with some chicken bouillon and fish sauce. Cook for the next 30 minutes. This will evaporate, so go ahead and add more water. I will list all the measurements and recipe in the comment section. Be sure to skim out the gunk as you go. Growing up, this was such a comforting meal. In my culture, this is called Khao Piak Khao. This brings back childhood vibes, very nostalgic whenever I make this. Wow, look at that.
This is Khao Piak, rice porridge, also known as Porridge Babaw, cháo, Congee, Khao Piak Khao, Khao Thom, Arroz, Caldo, Lugaw, Kua Dis. I made it so spicy. Eating rice porridge as the pork cakes, chicken feet. Wow, look at that. Oh, this is my favorite part right here. I made it so spicy. I made it with chicken thighs. The bean sprouts just wilts. Look how spicy my rice porridge is, guys. Woo! You guys know I like these spicy. Look at that. You see that? It's like the chicken thighs kind of like falls apart after cooking for a while. This on a cold day or rainy day, so good. As a cháo, my mom would make this for me when I was sick. All this comfort me. That gelatinous, it just melts. Chicken feet, full of collagen. It's how you stay young, okay? Eat that, eat the tendon, all that good stuff. Broth just hangs on to all the veggies in here and herbs. Made mine so garlicky, spicy, umami. Got ginger in there. The meat, I shred them, but they continue breaking apart. So each bite you get like chicken, the pork cakes, the herbs, cilantro, green onion, and so much flavor and spice.